Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Let's meet with the new number 7 colors in the rainbow, 7 clouds in the sky, 7 boys in the playgrounds. It's a rainy day. Let's count the beads in the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 beads in the bar, 7 clouds, 7 colors in the rainbow, and 7 boys are playing the soccer. Now think and tell, have you ever seen the rainbow in the sky? How many colors does the rainbow have? See you in the next lesson.